Yo, I just put my headphones on and they were cold as Let me play this. Yo, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Casey and yeah, long time no see. Yeah, I'm back from my 1 week vacation. Not really a vacation. Well, we had some unforeseen circumstances in the family which rendered me unable to record anything. But that's all in the past now. I am now back in full force. And I have 4 videos planned for recording. I'm going to upload more frequently starting from today. Since one of you commented on my last video but then you removed your comment. You know who you are. But yeah, I'm at least going to upload 1 video per week. Might be 2 or even 3, you never know. That's enough waffling. Let's get into today's video. Alright, so today, on this very wet day, I'm going to be showing you how to install plugins or VSTs or whatever you want to call them. I'm going to be showing you how to install them. It is a very simple process and this won't be a long video. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing you want to do is make sure that you got the plugin ready that you want to install. So the one that I want to install is this one right here. So I'm going to extract this onto my desktop and just see where we go from there. So you can do this process that I'm about to show you is you can do for any plugin that you want to install. It can be an effect, can be a synthesizer, can be whatever. This plugin that I got here, I was actually searching for some brass instruments on YouTube, and then I found this one video that showed me a few synthesized plugins that there's like these of the vintage sounds like vintage flute, some orchestral sounds like strings and brass, and I was actually looking for brass but I found more than what I was looking for. So I'm going to install this right now. I do get more that I want to install, but this is just for the tutorial. So what is this? This is, I think that's presets. Yeah, this is the thing that I need. This is the plugin right here, the .dll file. Okay, now I need to go and close my recycle bin. You would want to open your file manager and then you go to Windows and then you scroll down to program files x86. I'm pretty sure that this plugin is a 32, but I'm going into x86 and you scroll all the way down. This will be dependent on you. This will only work if you have VST plugins, but don't worry about that. You can make some changes in FL Studio for it to search. You can do a specific search in specific files when you are looking for the. Okay, we will get to that later. Okay, so I'm going to put my file here in VST plugins, my .dll file. I'm going to move that there as well as this because that has the presets in it. And then I'm going to minimize that because I might need to come back to that later. Okay, then you would want to go back to FL Studio. I'm going to create a new project. This is irrelevant, but I'm just going to create a new project just so that there's no interference. Okay, so you want to go here to add, and then you go in and click on more plugins, and then you just wait for that to load. And once you got this window open, you go down here to manage plugins. Then you wait for that to load, and then once you got this window open, you see there's nothing here. The thing that you want should be highlighted like these, but it's not going to show up because you need to do a plugin search. That's what this is for. Find plugins. And as you can see here, these are all the files that have been searched for plugins. Now, the file that I put that plugin in was in program files x86 VST plugins. Now let me see that is here, x86. There we go, VST plugins. Now because that is there, the plugin that I installed will definitely show up here. Now we do a find plugin search, and you just wait until the search is done. See here, it has already showed up, retron_se.ll. If you remember, that is the .dll file that I installed that I moved to program files x86. Okay, now once that is done, you want to scroll down till you find a highlighted text. Now once you find the highlighted text, you're gonna go and have to add the star there next to it. And then once you do that, you close FL Studio, you open it again. That's just to restart it so that you can have the plugin working properly. So you restart FL Studio, then click here, and then come here. This is the most probably going to be your new plugin panel. So this is the plugin that I just installed, container. And here we go. Here is the new plugin that I installed. See here, vintage flute. This is what I was looking for. It's not exactly what I was looking for, but I would definitely use it because I love the way it sounds. And just like that, the video is done. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, because there will definitely be coming more videos in the future. Like I said in the beginning, I'm coming back in full force. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.